our culture and heritage. Meaning of society and culture. Indian culture began a long time ago with the influence of Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. A community is a group of people who live in the same area or share similar traits. Like Hindus, Muslims, or Christians in India. A society is made up of many communities and has rules everyone follows, such as obeying laws, parents, and teachers. The shared ideas and way of life of the people form their culture, which makes each society unique. Culture in India. India is full of art, literature, music, dance, and festivals. Its culture is very rich and different from any other. Languages and literature. India has many languages, with 22 recognized by the Constitution. Sanskrit is one of the oldest and has influenced many other languages. Ancient texts like the Vedas, Mahabharata, and Ramayana were written in Sanskrit. Great writers like Kalidasa, Rabindranath Tagore, and Premchand have made important contributions. Today, many Indian writers also use English. Art and painting. India has a long history of painting. The Bhimbetka cave paintings show life in the Stone Age, and the Ajanta caves have beautiful art. Different art styles, such as those from Rajasthan and Pahadi schools, use natural colors and unique designs. The Mughals, like King Jahangir, loved art and supported miniature paintings. Modern artists like Raja Ravi Verma and M.F. Hussain are also famous. Music. Indian music includes folk, modern, and classical types. Classical music is divided into Carnatic music from the south and Hindustani music from the north. Music is either sung or played with instruments. And folk music has been passed down through generations, like the Baul of West Bengal. Dance. Indian dance has been part of the culture for a very long time. There are two main types: classical and folk dance. Folk dances are performed during festivals, while classical dances are connected to temples and stories from Hindu epics. Architecture. Indian architecture shows its history and culture through temples and monuments. Famous buildings like the Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, Ajanta and Ellora caves, and Red Fort remind us of India's rich heritage. These monuments display different styles from ancient, medieval, and modern times.